Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am showing you guys how I make my custom stickers with my Rollo printer. If you guys don't have a Rollo printer, that's totally fine. I already have a video up showing how I made stickers with my Dymo printer. If you have any other kind of thermal printer, the process of creating the stickers online is the same, but the stickers that you use for your printer and the process of reloading the stickers in might be a little bit different. So I can't help you if you have anything else because I've only used Dymos and Rollos. But yeah, if you have a Dymo printer, check out my other video. I will link it up above. And if you have a Rollo printer, stay tuned. I will show you how to do all of that in this video. So for those of you guys who might not be familiar with my channel, I am a full-time reseller. I sell on websites like Poshmark, Mercari, and eBay, and I like to include little custom stickers with my packages just to kind of give them a little touch. But if you are a small business owner and want to make custom stickers for your business and for your packages, this will work just the same. I have these right here. These just say thanks babe and have my logo on the bottom. These just have my logo printed repetitively on them, and then these ones are my favorite. It's my logo with a cow print on it. I also have these circle stickers that I use. I know you can't really tell that it's a circle, but it's a circle, and these have my QR code on them, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I make these as well. You can use the QR code to link to your Poshmark closet, to your own personal website. If you guys are YouTubers and you want people to be led to your channel, you can do that link. You can make different ones and just write on there like what it leads to. I usually just have mine say scan to shop and it leads directly to my website or to my Poshmark closet. I'm going to do a walkthrough on my computer screen. I do use a Mac, so if you use a PC, it might be a little bit different, but for the most part, I think it should all be the same layout. I'm going to be using canva.com. This is not sponsored or anything, but Canva is 100% free to use, so it doesn't cost you anything to create these QR codes or to create these designs. I also designed my own logo on Canva as well, so if you don't have a logo yourself, if you don't want to hire somebody else to make it for you, you can always kind of mess around with the templates and all of the features that Canva has to create your own logo. So now let's get into it. I'm going to show you guys how I make my stickers. So the first thing we're going to do is go to create a design, and then we're going to go down to custom size. We're going to do whatever size your sticker is. Mine is 2.25 times 1.25, and you got to change this into inches. Oh, do this again. Create new design. It's going to pull up a new window, and it's going to have a bunch of templates here. So if you want to use any of these templates, you can. Just make sure that it needs to be a little bit more minimal because it will be printing in black and white. But what I'm going to do is actually I am going to go to uploads. Now upload some media, and I'm going to go to my logo. So I'm going to add that onto here. Just going to drag and drop it, and then I can kind of resize it. If you don't have a logo already, you can use Canva to create your own. I just made this off of Canva as well. And then you can go into text. You can add different things, so I'm going to add a heading, and I'm just going to have it say thanks for shopping. Move that up there, add a heading, and it's going to say thanks for shopping from my closet. Then I'm going to change the font. Let's do something like that. Make this a little bit bigger, and then just kind of make it look how you like it. And when you're done, you can press download and change it to JPG and download. Another thing you can do is go to create a design, change the custom size. Mine is going to be 2 by 2. Create new design. Then I'm going to go here to QR code. If it's not already on here, just go to more, and then it should be here under apps and integrations. Press QR code, and then you can take any URL from any website that you might have. I have my Poshmark closet here, so I am going to copy that and bring it here and paste. And it's going to generate my Poshmark code. So I'm going to leave that on here. And then I'm going to go back to text. And I'm going to write scan to shop. I'm going to change the font of this to... This is just one of my favorite fonts, but I'm going to put that there. And then I'm also going to add my logo. Just to add a little touch right there. So I'll move this up a little bit. There you go. So there is my finished sticker. So I'm going to download that, change it to JPG, download, and that will pop up as well. So once you have your image that you want to print, make sure that your things are loaded. You go to File, Print, change your printer to the correct printer, change the size of the sticker. Mine was 2.25 by 1.25, and if you're using the same stickers, it'll be the same. And then you can mess around with these. If it's not showing the full image, you can change these or change the size, the scale. And then you just press print. I also want to show you guys really quickly how I change out the labels. So right now it has my regular 4x6 labels that I use for my shipping. With the Rollo, it's so much easier to switch out the labels than it was with my Dymo. All I do is I press this little button here on the side, and that opens right up. You can pull your shipping labels out without any issues, and then I just push these to size. I make them a little bit smaller so that it will help guide the smaller labels in. And then I just have these right here. I got these off of Amazon. They are 2.25 by 1.25 pink labels. I will link these in my Amazon storefront, which will be linked down below. And this little holder is amazing. I got this off of Amazon as well, but I just slide it right in here so that it fits in between the two blue little things, and I squeeze it so that it fits properly. I close this, and then when it makes that noise, I just push it in a little bit so that it will get lined up perfectly, and now it is ready to print my little custom stickers. The same process is done with the circle ones. You can kind of see right here, sorry, it's not focusing. Okay, now you can kind of see that there is like a circle around here. So when you're printing, just make sure that it is fitting in that circle, and that just depends on what size of labels you got. These are 2x2. I will also link these in my Amazon storefront. But now we are ready to print our stickers. And then you can cut these off, and there are my little custom stickers. So that's really how easy it is to make custom stickers for your small business. I hope this video was helpful. I know I had a few people reach out to me on Instagram after I made a post about my stickers, asking me how I made them. I actually found out about that QR thing on Canva as I was filming this video. When I made my original ones, I actually used an app on my iPhone, so there's plenty of different ways that you can create these stickers. I would love to see if you guys make some for yourself. Make sure you tag me on Instagram at PerDiemThrifts, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!